Okay, the first thing you need to recognize is that this curve, let me change color, that this curve is 1 over x, okay? I know that because I memorized the basic graphs of functions, graphs of basic functions, and you'll find that on your e-text on pages 3-32 through 3-34. And you can tell that's true because if you you're given these order pairs, if you let x be -1, so if you find f of -1, that's 1 over -1, which is -1, which gives you this order pair. Just like for this order pair, if you let x be -3, you plug it in here, 1 over -3, and that's -1/3. I know I have the right graph. And you need to recognize that this graph over here, it's either going to be the square root of x or the cube root of x, because that's the basic shape of those. I know it's going to be the cube root of x because if I let x be 1, the cube root of 1 is 1. And then if I let x be 8, the cube root of 8 is 2. So I get the order pair 8, 2. So now I need to set up my piecewise function. I got two things going on. F of x equals, well, one piece is 1 over x. And where is my graph 1 over x? My graph starts here. And it keeps going because you got an arrow on it, doesn't it? Yeah, I got an arrow on it. Keeps going that way. So that's if x is less than or equal to -1/9. Because this x value right here of -1/9 is the largest x value on that graph. They're getting smaller. The other piece of my graph is a cube root of x. And where does that occur? Well, it starts at 0. And does it keep going to infinity? No. It's got an open circle here, which means that order pair is not included. So it starts at 0, and 0 is included because I got a solid dot there. Less than or equal to x, 0 is included, less than 8. No line underneath the 8 because you have an open circle here and it's not included. So there's your piecewise function.